Here's my journey. She hasn't gotten dressed yet. Her shirt says, "My first Halloween." We're over at Caden's other Mimi's. And there's Caden put a spider right there, and they drew a ghost, and there's a pumpkin, and they got all kinds of pumpkins out here that they've already carved. There's Caden up there, and his friend, I forgot what his friend's name is. There's my Caden. And Journey's over here saying hi. Say hi.
Hey, actually,
hi. There's my Caden right there. Caden, what's your friend's name?
What?
What's your friend's name?
Phoenix.
Yeah, Phoenix, that's right.
Ooh. Ah!
Your name is Phoenix?
Boing, boing, boing. We go to school together.
Do you? What grade are you in?
First grade.
Huh?
First grade.
First grade?
He's in Marshmallow Elementary and I'm in Bowling. Hey, what's this?
Say hi. Hi. And this is a whole subdivision or whatever in Rocky Mount. And Caden's Mimi just came out and said that she has a whole tote of candy because they usually start like 5:30, and she said it's a continuous stream. Yes, you could talk to me. You could talk to Grandma. Yes, hi. Hi. All right, I'll bring you back. Look at Grandma. Come here. Come here, Journey. Journey Grace, come here, see Grandma. Come here.
Save me.
Save you?
Hi. Hi. Oh, look at my Journey. All right, here's Caden. Move them so I can. Look at Grandma. Caden.
You just spit on yourself.
Are you kidding me? Nigga get it. Nigga get it.
This is my Caden and my Caden. Please stop. Please stop. All right, and let Grandma get a picture. Look at Grandma.
Down your face. I will get you, Danny, honey. Yes, I will.
Put your hands down, Caden, please.
I don't know what to do to make her laugh.
What are you doing?
Everybody's dressed up over here.
Caden, stop. Taylor, you don't know?
I am not going.
He's a dog. I think we're going to keep cheating on.
There's Josh holding Journey.
Get mad.
There's Josh's brother Jacob.
You missed it now. You have to go to your mama. You don't want me.
There's Journey. Hers almost tuckered out. It's going to be nap time. Look, she's going to fall asleep.
Hey, Grandma.
What, baby? Look, she's going to fall asleep. No, baby, leave it over here. I wanted to see her. No, I wanted. Kaden, will you bring her back over here, please?
Am I going?